Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be installing the Everett Manor dining table from Allen and Roth. This matches the gazebo, and I have an install video for that I'll put in the description if you want to see the gazebo install. This is what the box looks like. It's pretty heavy, so you want to team lift this one with 2 people, and it's going to go right under our gazebo. Inside the box, you'll find it's very simple. There's only a few pieces and the hardware, which is really nice. And to install this is going to be very simple, so you'll just see that in the video. But if you want the instructions, you can pause the video here. So the first thing we're going to do is lay out both of the legs and bring our center beam into place. The center beam bolts with the 2 large bolts, and they're just going to go right into the ends. So we're going to go ahead and bring this beam in, and you'll see on the beam on the end it has 2 little nubs on it that are going to go into those guide holes. And then we're just going to put the bolt in from the other side. You will notice that on that beam there is a hole on the bottom, so you want to make sure the hole is pointed down for water drainage. If any moisture or condensation get in, that's the only way it's going to come out, so make sure that hole is on the bottom side of the beam as you install it. And so we went ahead and just did the same thing on the other side as well, and tightened both of these down with the provided Allen key. Next, we just installed the covers that come over that, so they just slide right into the hole, and they're pretty tight, so you'll start to wedge them in there and just give them a good tap and straighten them out. And so it's a nice look for the end of it here, and just pound that one in. So we went ahead and repeated that and did the same thing on the other side. And now we're going to go ahead and bring in the actual table. So the manual says to do this upside down, but we're just going to put the table flat on top here like this. So you can do it either way, and we're just going to line up the holes here to put our hardware in. So we brought our tabletop in, just set it right on top, and now we're just going to go ahead and line up all the holes and install all of the hardware. So from the bottom side here, you'll see this is how we've lined all the holes up. And something I did to kind of help with this is I used my foot to kind of lift up slightly, and then I could kind of move the table around. So make sure the table obviously doesn't come down on you. If everything's in place, it really shouldn't. But be very careful about that. Perform at your own risk. Next, we're bringing in the hardware. So it's just the little screw bolt here with the washer on it. And so my advice here is to start each of these, but do not tighten any of them down until you have all of them in. So you're going to have a total of 8 of them, so 2 on each corner. And so just line them all up, and again, just make sure that they're all at least being threaded. And something I also did is I slightly lifted on the table so that I could put the bolt through and then find the threads on it. That kind of helped because it doesn't line up exactly perfect, of course. If you do have a 4mm Allen on a hand tool, that really helps as well, just to speed things up. If not, just use the provided Allen key that they give you. So anyway, we just went around and put all the bolts in, and that's how simple it is. And I really like how it matches the gazebo. It's the same material, same company. So anyway, very happy with how it looks. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new, and check out the video description for a playlist on more videos like this. Thanks, guys.